Hello, my name is Jessica Giles. I'm an accountant, a financial educator, the founder of Chic Money, and I'm absolutely thrilled for my upcoming workshop at the Cornucopia conference, where I'm going to be sharing with you all about how to come along and create your plan for financial freedom and fall in love with yourself as a wealthy woman. This is going to be an interactive and connected workshop where I'm going to be working closely with you to transform your relationship to and reality with money through mindset tools, practical management tools, and wealth creation strategies that are going to set yourself up for really strong and empowering financial stability and freedom. So if money has felt a little bit challenging, a bit disconnected for you, I really encourage you to come along to this conference. An incredible lineup of presenters and guests that are going to help whip you into financial shape, well, not whip, but support you into financial shape, help you to create your strategy and plan for financial freedom. And you are going to walk away with so many tools in your toolbox, strategies, skills, and empowerment for you to really forge ahead powerfully on your individual and unique path to financial freedom. So I encourage you to get your ticket. I would really love to have you to be as part of this workshop so that I can personally support you to help you to accelerate on your path to financial freedom as a wealthy woman. I hope to see you there.